Hey, good morning, traders. Happy Friday and happy Labor Day weekend. Bringing you a DELL trade today, 1210 minutes. If you like this video, hit a like, hit a subscribe. Let us know what we could do to serve you to elevate your trading better. Hey, quick here, we are offering absolutely no cost chat room here, and you are welcome to join. Check out the link in the drop down here under the video, and it is absolutely free. I wanted to show you DELL trade here. Here's the transcripts from the chat room here. DELL, this is right here, Playbooktrading. DELL 123 on the 2-minute setup, and then DELL long 66 by 65 right here. And as it was setting up, posted in the room. Before it posted, it hasn't triggered. You can see the orders are here. Check out the YouTube short here that I did on this DELL. So check out the trade here. Let's walk through the trade. I could take you through the platform to show you actually what was happening here in DELL. And right here is the market. Market was gapping up, and if I were to overlay the market on a 1-minute chart here on DELL, you see what happened in the market. Market rallied 1, 2, 3, 4 minutes of rallies in the market, and it's setting up right here on DELL. The setup is right up here. Look how tight the setup is, and while the market was up. Now this is the entry. We talk about why do we enter here. Well, here are the nuances of this gap. It is a tier 3 gap. You can see it is a tier 3 gap. No shock value. Clearly no shock value. Shock value means what happened last couple of days. Well, it bounced off of a peer moving average. It was up the day before the earnings, so we can't give a shock value here. The second point, clearing resistance, absolutely clearing resistance. Short-term bullish, oh hell yes, it's bullish. Long-term bullish, just look at the weekly chart and see what happened in the weekly chart. And did it have relative strength? No relative strength on this, because market was also up, not as much as this, but was up. So you could have given a relative strength and it would have been a tier 2. But here's what I do in a tier 3. And how do you upgrade it to tier 2? Well, look at this long base here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, almost 10 weeks of base. This is what we call a tightening up of the right side of the chart with great relative strength. I mean, this DELL is looking absolutely fantastic on all time frame and looking higher. Matter of fact, this was a trade probably right here. I personally didn't see it. Relative strength line was like, I think was right at 90. Well, last time I remember, and so and then here you can see the base here for long base here. Anytime the stock gap over the base, pay attention, upgraded, and that's the one that you want to play. That's why I played it a little bit early and a little bit aggressive. 66 stop was right here at 65. That's where I put a stop at 65. It pops nicely, pulled back, gave us a flag pattern. I almost went in and added a 68. I had a pretty good. I mean, I had 300 shares on this trade, so with $300 risk, and it went up to 70, and then I sent out a message in the room, hey, let's take profit at $70, and I'll show you that right here on these transcripts that, hey, DELL, take profits here at $70 at 643. So 10 minutes, literally 10 minutes. It triggered at 6:33, which is my time, 9:33 market time, and we were out in 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, we're out at 9:43 with $1,200 in profit right up here. So if you like it, give it a like. Hope you learned a couple of nuances here on this trade and be able to add to your repertoire and in your trading. And wishing you a very happy Labor Day weekend. Here is showing you results of our trading week in our trade room, as far as for the week of from 8/20 to 9/1, and you can see what happens. All trades are listed here. We had 14 trades taken in 5 days. There was some days we didn't have any setups, and today I only took one trade, DELL. So 14 trades, we have 8 winners, 6 loser. Each loser is about, just call it a $300, including this one. I didn't count that one, but we had a really big winner in in Tesla, and we had a nice winner in Dell today. And sometimes that's all you need. And you're gonna have to take multiple trades to have a big winner. You can't come into the market and say, I want a home run trade. It just doesn't happen. Just simple as that. It doesn't happen. You can't have a home run trade in the market without having multiple trading opportunities. And so that's, you got to put yourself in a position to win. And when you do that and you do the right thing, the good things happen. So with that, give it a like, hit a subscribe, stay disciplined, stay focused, stay with Playbook Trading. Hope everyone had a great Labor Day weekend. We'll talk next week.